Today's lesson is lesson 110, multiplying decimal numbers using zeros as placeholders. When we multiply decimal numbers, we follow the rule, multiply then count. You count the total number of decimal places in the factors. And then starting from the right-hand side of the product, we move over the same number of places and mark the decimal. Sometimes there are more decimal places than factors in the factors than there are digits in the product. So in this case, I have 0.12 times 0.3. So first we're going to ignore the decimals and multiply. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now I'm going to count the digits in the decimal place, decimal numbers of the factors. So we have 1, 2, 3. So I have a total of 3 digits. Okay, so starting from the right, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3 places. Well, I don't have anything here, so I need to put in a 0 as a placeholder because my answer is 36 thousandths, not 36 hundredths. Okay, so we're going to try another one. And we have 0.25 times 0.3. So first, ignore the decimal and multiply. 3 times 5 is 15, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now we count the digits. 1, 2, 3. So there's supposed to be 3 digits to the right of the decimal. So starting here on the right-hand side, we count over 1, 2, 3. Put my decimal and put a 0 in the place that doesn't have anything. Okay, do it again. 0.12 times 0.12. Well, I know 12 times 12 is 144. And then count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 digits to the right of the decimal. So starting on the right-hand side, we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4. Put my decimal place and put a 0 as a placeholder. Okay, next one. 3, we're going to multiply, ignoring the decimals. 3 times 5 is 15, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. Count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. So again, starting at the right-hand side, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 places and put a 0 as a placeholder. So the answer to this one would be 375 ten-thousandths. Okay, last one. 3 times 5, multiply like there's no decimal. 3 times 5 is 15, or 5 and carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So I need to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, put my decimal, and add, in this case, 2 zeros to make up for the spots that I don't have anything in. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.